We are talking to Dr. Ashok Nigam. We'll be discussing about how the laws can be reformed in India to make it more conducive to the businessman community. So Dr. Nigam, do you think that the Indian laws related to especially the companies laws are still relevant, is not archaic anymore to meet the modern age?
I may inform you that the company law, old company law has given place to a new company law which has been framed more on the basis of international pattern. So the new companies law is almost compatible with any company law maybe in the states or in other countries. Similarly, in arbitration field also, we have now framed a new arbitration act which is also on the pattern of international arbitration forums and all that. So, and it is permissible to have international arbitration within that act. So we are changing fast to take into our fold the aspirations of the business community and globalization of the Indian economy. So if there are sometimes there are some provisions which are at variance with other countries' laws, but in that case it will depend upon case to case basis whether which law is better and conducive. And we are in a constant state of transforming laws. We are amending many laws. We are scraping certain laws, certain acts from the statute book, and we are also introducing new acts. The globalization of the economy itself has created new challenges, and the government is trying to meet them.
So you're positive that government will be meeting those challenges of globalization in terms of reforming the laws?
Yes, of course. However, there are some areas in which we have a difference of opinion with the developed world. You know about environmental laws and the Patent Act. We think that the developed world is not taking cognizance of the problems of the developing world, and age-old system of not patenting any law.
But India has always been criticized in GATT for not respecting the international patent laws or being a partner of the international patent laws.
But then it will have to be seen, because we have been saying from the very beginning that it should not be operated in a way which is unjust and militates against the interest of farmers of the country, because the developed world has framed patent laws much before.
But US patent laws doesn't have any cognizance of the social criteria and social issues. You're right, it's absolutely devoid of any kind of social cognizance. But do you think in this rapid age of capitalization, is it possible to strike a good balance between socialism and capitalism in terms of forming the laws?
It is quite possible. In fact, ours is a welfare state, and even Western democracies are tending to be more and more welfare. If you see the development of US laws, for example, they also have changed a lot. They are not the same which they were at the time of Karl Marx. Now, taking cognizance of the challenges as well as the aspirations of the general masses, even the United States is making new laws, and all set of welfare laws are there. In fact, in certain cases, we don't have those such as national health scheme or other welfare laws, the unemployment wages. We have not been able to give it. We are on the way of giving it. So therefore, it can't be said that now there any more remain a barrier between socialist economy and capitalist economy. I don't think that any economy has remained purely capitalist are
That's
purely-
true. I mean, survival needs a good balance.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.